a beautiful snake. Go. Ooh, see how quick he turned now? Go. 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 Get on your way. Sidewind. Sidewind, yeah. Do it. Sidewind. And there he goes, off into the desert, where he belongs, off the road. I had just gotten home about 15 minutes ago. It's about 1:30 a.m. right now. And I realized I left one of my Hex Armor gloves, which are about $300, in the desert. Holy shit. After fucking hours of driving, just spotted this on the side of the road. I didn't realize how close to this cross I was, but there's my glove. Woohoo! I got it! Time to fucking go home. Woo!